Are you ready to conquer the Amazon marketplace? Starting an Amazon business can be overwhelming. But it doesn't have to be. Jungle Scout is here to transform your journey. Discover how to research profitable products effortlessly. Our data-driven insights help you find high-demand, low-competition opportunities quickly. Launch your products successfully by creating captivating listings. Our personalized optimization scores empower you to rank higher and boost sales. Grow your business with real-time sales data and insightful analytics. Stay ahead of trends and make informed decisions about your marketplace strategy. What makes us different? Our all-in-one solution eliminates the need for multiple tools. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Join over 1 million sellers who trust Jungle Scout to simplify their success. Don't wait. Start your Amazon journey today with Jungle Scout. Get started now and take advantage of our 7-day money-back guarantee. The time to sell is now. Unlock your Amazon success with Jungle Scout.